Hi everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-automation.com. So first of all, Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2018 and in this year we will be learning new tools in automation, and not only in automation, we'll also start some other tools which will help you in your career. Like we will also start some DevOps tools in this year. So stay tuned. In this video, I have a small recorder for you which is called Katalon Recorder. So it is again a new recorder which is I will say the advanced version of Selenium IDE. So let's get started and we'll see what exactly we'll cover in this video. So first of all, we'll see what is Katalon Recorder, what are the features are available, and why we have to go with Katalon Recorder, because we already have Selenium IDE. So we'll have a detailed comparison and we'll have a small demo. So I will be making 3 videos on this. So first video will be how to record and play. In the second video we'll see how to write manual script using Katalon Recorder, and in third one we will see how we can do the import export functionality. First of all, it's not a very big plugin. So we don't have to spend much time here, because most of the time we write the code in our framework. But yes, it's good to know feature, because sometime if you have very small scripts, you can quickly record and execute it. Why to spend so much time and for some scripts which can be easily recorded. Okay, so yeah, we'll also talk about the limitation part. So what is Katalon Recorder? So Katalon Studio is a separate tool which I have discussed in my previous videos. So if you have not seen my previous video, I already uploaded one video like 4 months back. So if you are completely new to Katalon, you just watch this video. It's a very good tool, and one of the blog posts which I have read recently, like in 2018, after Selenium, Katalon is like most popular tool after Selenium. Okay, so as the name says, it's a recorder. So what it will do, it will record whatever activities you will do on your web application on any browser, and it will once you stop the recording, you can play back in the same order. You can change the execution order, depends on your requirement. So it will allow you to generate, edit and execute test cases quickly, because here you don't have to write the code, because it's a record and playback. So you can run the test cases quickly. If you want to edit some of the steps, you can do manually. So I will show you how you can edit the steps manually. And if you don't want to record the complete steps, how you can write step 1 like by adding some of the fields. And in ID also we have this feature, but this feature is little bit I will say advanced, because they have added sorry, export functionality for Robot Framework and Katalon Studio as well, which we do not have in Selenium IDE. As of now, Katalon Recorder supports Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Groovy, Python and Robot Framework. Okay, so this Robot Framework is not present in Selenium IDE. And one thing I missed, Katalon Recorder also support Katalon Studio, which is by default, but still I should have mentioned, that's fine. So what are the features of Katalon Recorder? First of all, which I forgot to mention, it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything, and it's very user friendly. So even a non-technical member like business analyst and clients, manual tester can easily record some basic test, and they can run based on the requirement. They can run weekly, monthly, daily, hourly basis, because there's no coding involved in it. So everyone can write the test cases. Now if you have noticed, or if you have worked on Selenium IDE, then when you record in Selenium IDE, sometimes steps might change. I will not say change, order might change. So let's say when you type username, password and click on login button, it happens like password will come first, then username will come second. This is not issue with Katalon Recorder. It is more stable as compared to existing Selenium IDE. So till now I have used almost for my 20 scripts, very basic scripts I have written for with the help of Katalon, and all are very stable, and maintenance also is very easy. You will get to know in upcoming videos. Yes, it will allow to generate scripts, that's quite obvious. Now comparison, why you should go with Katalon Recorder, not with Selenium IDE. So this is the official picture which I have taken from their blog. So you can just compare it. So comparison part, you can see the export languages. Selenium have only 4, right? But now you can see here uh, they have not written Groovy, but yes, you can do in Groovy as well. Robot Framework and Katalon, and it support latest browsers, so you can do with Firefox and Chrome. They have written that they will launch soon, but I'm not sure because IE is not a cup of tea. So let's see. Yeah, so let's have a demo first, then we'll talk about the limitations. So in order to start, you just have to go to App Store of Chrome. Okay, just click on the web store, or you can directly launch this URL from your browser and just search for Katalon Recorder. Okay, when you hit enter, okay, Katalon, why it's not coming? Yeah, it's coming. Katalon Recorder. So you will get two options. Just ignore this one. You just go with the first one, which is from officially Katalon Studio. Click on Add to Chrome. It will take your permission and it will install. So once it will install in your browser, it will open a forum. So if you have any doubt, you can paste into this forum. They have some quick guides here, and you can ask your question. In case something is missing or you find some bug, feel free to post on their forum. They are currently very active. They will reply within 1 day. Now once you install, you will get this icon here, so just click on it and it will start this window. So this is Katalon Recorder. It's similar. If you see, the UI also is quite same as compared to Selenium IDE, but they do not have so many options, so it's quite simple. If you see new, you can create new test suite, test cases, you can record, play, and you can export. Okay, so once you have at least few test cases, then you can use this. Whatever activities it will record, it will show you in this table. All the commands, this is very important. So if you just click here, it will show you all the methods which they have. So you can see they have plenty of methods. So as compared to IDE, they have more methods. Okay, I will show you. Let's say you want to wait for something. So you can see wait for selected checkbox, labels, values, wait for text, wait for title, wait for XPath count as well, which is not there. Wait preparation and all. So let's say you want to type something. So for type also they have 4 methods: type, type and wait, type keys and wait. In a similar way, they have added a couple of more methods, okay, which is not there. And good thing, like for each and everything they have given a console, like what exactly this locator will do. Let's say click and wait. So what it will do, so if you're not familiar, you can go through this guide. For each and every method they have given very beautiful description. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's create our first. So this is your test case. So I will say login test. Okay, so you can say this test created. I can create a number of tests, let's say dashboard, and I can keep on creating test cases here. So by default it will generate a test suite which is untitled right now. So just click here and you can rename this as, I will say, learn automation or whatever name you want to provide. Okay, so now we have one test suite and 2 test cases. For this test case, what you can do, you just hit on record. Okay, but first move on to the browser. Okay, so you can take any application. I will be using this Orange HRM for this demo. I already have some values, so I will just remove it. So now let's go and record. So click on record. So first I will click here, so you can see one small pop-up is coming on the right hand side. So whatever activities you are doing, it will show you what activity you have done. So it's a double confirmation. So let's say I want to type admin, then I will click here, so you can see it's showing there, and again I will say admin and click on login. Now after login, I just want to click on admin and again log out. So again you can see for each and everything, and I want to verify whether this login is present or not. So how I will verify the logout happened properly or not? So I can verify title, URL or this page as well. So as of now, what I will do, I will stop the recording. So I will go to the page and I will say stop, and you will see all the steps are recorded properly in a sequence. This was missing in Selenium IDE. Now you can see we are doing click also. So first username it is clicking, then it is typing. First it is clicking on type password, sorry, that password field, then typing. Login, click on welcome and logout. Now after logout, let's say I want to verify whether this page is coming or not. So here I will add one command. So first of all I will click here and I will say add. So one step will get added. I can add n number of steps, depends on my requirement. I can delete all the steps. Now you will also see two options, select and find. Let's say you want to find certain elements, so just click on select. It will redirect on this page. Now let's say I want to verify whether this, after logout, this login page is coming or not. So I will just find this, hit enter, automatically this target it will select. Now very beautiful thing is, if you click here, you do not have only one option, you have multiple options. So either you can go with ID, name, XPath. They have written CSS as well. So let me take this XPath, and what command I will use assert set visible. Like if this element is visible, it means my test pass. That's all. Now your script is ready. If you want to just check, just click on this test and click on play. You will see it will just type the username, password, hit login button. It will click on admin, logout, and it will verify. Okay, now if you want to check, just go here and check the recorder. All the steps are green, and if you want to see the logs, you can see for each and every step they have proper log, executing this, and this. And finally, if even a single step fails, it will say failed, and right now all are passed. So like this you can use this. So command is like they have plenty of commands which you can use. Okay, like open window and wait, drag and drop. So they have very good options here. Okay, now if you want to export, now you can see when I click on export, I can export in different languages: C#, Java, Katalon, Python, to Robot Framework, Ruby. So if I show you, if you are familiar with any of this programming language, just click on Java test and G and see the same piece of code. Dot find element by ID, everything. So I will show you how to export and all. You can save as a file and all. Nothing much on this. New, we have discussed record, place, export, that's all. Okay, so try this for basic scripts. Okay, you can also design complex scripts. I will not say that you cannot do, but whenever you have lengthy scripts, I will suggest you to go with the framework approach, because if you go for a longer run, maintenance also we have to keep in mind, right? So I hope you will like this recorder. I will be making 2 more videos on this. So just share your views on this and let me know the feedback in the comment section. Yes, the most important limitations, okay, it's right now available for Chrome and Firefox, so I am not sure whether they will add or not. Less additions, like if you go with Selenium IDE, let me show you. This is what I like about Selenium IDE still. So just go to their official website, seleniumhq.org, and just go to download section. So if you have worked on Selenium IDE, you must be having so many features here. Like you can automate flex application. They have one plugin for logs, controls, highlighting elements, implicit wait, page coverage, screenshot on fail. You can see plenty of plugins they have with Selenium IDE, right? Currently, which is not there, so I hope they will add. Like test result also you can store in an Excel sheet and all. You can see still so many, and they are still adding. Okay, so recently, like last time, they added for Silverlight applications. Okay, you can see still so many. Selenium to Excel converter, you can convert your complete script into Excel as well. So somehow this feature is missing right now, and this wiki formatter, like it will generate the document also for you. Okay, so this is what the limitations are. So I will be uploading 2 more videos. So if you have any doubt on this, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or you can send me an email on mukesh.tony@learn-automation.com. Okay, so please guys, share this channel with your friends, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed till yet, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.